Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming compatibility. Check your phone's 5G bands and whether it's unlocked, because carriers restrict band access. Once done, compare coverage in the exact neighborhoods where you need service. Nationwide claims vary by band. Make sure your device firmware is up to date so the modem recognizes new bands, and have your ID and payment method ready. Carriers often require verification to enable unlimited plans immediately. You now choose the plan that fits. Prioritize true unlimited data, hotspot limits, and deprioritization rules because they affect real-world speeds. Then decide eSIM or physical SIM. eSIM is faster for activation, but some phones need a physical tray. Request provisioning and keep your account number ready if porting. Porting speeds and timing vary, so start early. Also note additional taxes and device financing. You finish by activating the line through the carrier app or store, following provisioning prompts. Make sure the 5G icon appears and APN settings match the carrier. Once active, run speed tests in areas you use most to confirm throughput and hotspot performance. If speeds are poor, restart the phone, reset network settings, or reinsert the SIM. These fix most provisioning glitches. If that fails, contact carrier support and request a tower check or SIM replacement.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.